Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by proving you legally own the device. Gather the purchase receipt, IMEI/serial, and the account email used on the phone. Once done, charge the battery above half and make sure the phone can connect to the internet. This enables authorized remote tools. Make sure you can sign into the Google or manufacturer's account tied to the device. These steps avoid unlawful bypasses and prepare you for official recovery or an authorized remote erase. Next, use the manufacturer or Google recovery portal to act legitimately. Sign in with the account registered on the phone, select the device, and choose an authorized option such as lock, ring, or erase. Erasing performs a factory reset and removes the pattern but also deletes your data. I explain this so you understand the trade-off. Removing the lock via these tools is allowed only if you control the account. Make sure to read warnings and confirm actions deliberately. Finally, set up the device after an official erase. Sign in with the same Google or manufacturer account to satisfy activation lock and then restore backups. If you cannot access the registered account or the recovery portals, make sure to contact the device maker or your carrier and provide proof of purchase and ID. They can verify ownership and offer service. A key troubleshooting tip: if account recovery fails, authorized service centers are the safe and legal next step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.